So yesterday I promised y'all that I was going to talk to you about anxiety and knowing whether the anxiety that you're feeling is yours or someone else's. All right? So here's some things that I go through when I just start feeling anxiety all of a sudden. You know, you felt that feeling where like you're just fine, right? You're happy. You might have been singing a song you love, and then you might be walking, and then all of a sudden you just feel like, why am I nervous all of a sudden? Why is my heart beating? Why do I feel short of breath? And you're trying to figure out why you feel this way because you were just fine. There's literally nothing around you that should be making you feel this way. When you have that moment, look around because it might be someone else's that their body, it's taking so much out of them that their body's actually sending it out to someone else who's strong enough to help them with it. Oh, you didn't know that that could happen? Yes, that actually can happen. That's how we're actually made. We actually help each other through pain. We help each other through so much. And because majority aren't aware that that's happening, you're saying that it's yours. Now that you're aware, you can become a superhero to that person. Now, you can learn how to transmute that. You can lessen their anxiety by doing specific things. Did you know that? Yes, you can. Without even telling them. You don't have to let them know that you're assisting. On the next video, we're going to go over exactly how you can do what's called transmuting and assist the person whose anxiety it really is.